Is data really the new oil? Can we trust what we read? Will clicks replace bricks? Will we be replaced by robots? Will there be a middle class in the future? What should our kids study? Will we have autonomous cars soon? What should we do when machines do everything? These and many others are the questions that Cognizant's Center for the Future of Work grapples with, in trying to understand how the future will work. Work has always been the foundation of society. The nations that have risen have been the ones that have mastered leading-edge technologies. Now, we can see that technology is again changing the nature of work, the formulas for success, and the nature of the societies we live in. The Center for the Future of Work produces original, challenging, insightful, and unique perspectives on the actions that we all, as business leaders, as parents, as human beings, need to take to harness the incredible power, literally in our hands now, and make sure that our inventions are used for good. At our place or yours, talk to us about the future of your work. There's never been a more important time to be paying attention. The Center for the Future of Work can help you thrive in a time of unprecedented risk and opportunity.